Hello there. This is just a quick video to let you know all about SMIRFs. No, not the blue creatures that we might remember from the past, but no, they're not those. It stands for Space Mission Instant Recall Facts. Okay, now I'm just quickly taking you through this booklet, which you will be getting, or you might already have in your hand. Basically, why we're learning these facts is because instant recall, being able to remember things, is so important in maths. Basically, if you can remember something, a maths fact, it sort of saves that little bit of your brain where you're trying to work on something because it's already in your long-term memory. It just helps you to work things out really quickly if you've already got some facts to help you. If I asked you your name, you would undoubtedly be able to tell me straight away because you've just practiced it that often, you've used it that often, you've heard people calling you it. And it's the same with maths facts. If I was to say to you 2 add 2, you'd undoubtedly say 4 and you wouldn't do any working out. So this is what we're trying to get the children to be able to do, instantly recall facts. We say instant recall is about within 3 seconds. I know sometimes if you put people under pressure, it's harder than that, but roughly, if you could either remember it or work it out quickly, because it could be that some of these facts you don't actually remember, but you have to do a little bit of thinking to get there, that's fine. So basically this scheme takes you through sections from being selected as an astronaut and then going through the different planets in our solar system. Poor old Pluto is now forgotten about, and you eventually get to the Milky Way. Okay, so what will happen is your teacher will do a little bit of assessment, find out where your child needs to be, and they might send them home with a sheet that looks something like this. This is the Venus sheet. We might also have this stuck in the book, and the teacher will be keeping records of how they are when they're doing things. So it has a list of objectives there. Now, when you read through some of these, you might think, well, I don't even know what that means because it's all the maths speak. So this is why I put this booklet together. Basically, it goes through all the objectives for you and it gives you questions and prompts to help you. So say for your counting in fives, there's the list of fives that they'd be counting in. Okay. I know that some people at home might be sort of a little bit worried about maths and not particularly like maths. So this is why we've tried to sort of make it accessible for you. Okay. So there you go, astronaut selection. It's quite basic really, isn't it? So reciting the numbers in order to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Recognizing the digits, okay? And so as it says, then names the numbers they're shown. So these are quite basic and your child might already be well past that. But there's the whole list of the objectives there for you with some examples. So you know the sorts of things to be saying to them and to be helping them with them as they're learning them. And it goes all the way up to, as I told you, hope your eyes aren't going funny as I'm scrolling through, the Milky Way. That's the hardest set of facts, and it's going up to things like cube numbers and square numbers and so on. Okay, so there's sort of the list of things for you, so you know how to help them when they come home with a target. If you do have any questions about this, then please get in touch with me, Mr. Grice, or you can ask your child's maths teacher. But I hope that's sort of cleared that up a little bit, and I'll look forward to hearing from you. Take care then. Bye.